Hi, welcome back to Reef's channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to crochet this interesting stitch pattern to create a beautiful summer skirt or any other piece that will be perfect for warmer season. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps support our channel. For this project, you will need yarn in 3 different colors, a 2 mm crochet hook, and scissors. In our case, we will be working with the yarn held double. First, chain an odd number of stitches. Now, make a turning chain and work the entire row in single crochet. Add a new color, make 2 turning chains, or use a standing double crochet and work one more double crochet. Then continue with the following combination. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and work 1 double crochet. Repeat this across the row. And then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and work 2 double crochets. The next row should be worked in single crochet as follows: 2 single crochet at the beginning, end of the row, and 2 single crochet in each chain space. To begin this row, make 1 turning chain. a new color, work 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then place the next double crochet so that it sits above the previous row's double crochet. To do this, insert your hook between the single crochet from the previous row. Continue this across the row and at the end simply work regular double crochet. Work the next row in single crochet the same way as row 3. Add another new color and crochet the mesh pattern with double crochets just like in row 4. Insert the hook between the single crochet from the previous row above the double crochets. Continue working this way until you reach your desired size. And then you can weigh in the yarn tails created by the color changes while walking border around the piece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment telling us what you would like to see in our next tutorial. Share your finished project made from this tutorial on social media using the hashtag #WoolReefPatterns. See you on our next projects.